This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to use your printex paper mat to make your rose on your fascinator. This is printex paper mat. We have different colors of it. I'm going to use this blue and the gold silver color. All what you need for this work is your tape rule to measure your paper mat, the printex paper mat, your scissors to cut, your needle and thread to sew. Now I've cut my printex paper mat into pieces, and again you need your wax candle gum. My printex paper mat, the size is, the length is 4.5, while the breadth is 3. You will take it like this, then take your needle and thread. First, fold it down. Look at it. You fold it to a triangular shape like this. Then you fold it in. Then you take your needle and thread. You run your stitches. Then you stop there. The other side, you fold it again. You fold it in. The same way you do the first one. Then you do your hemming to the end. You can see, then you secure the mouth here. You cut your thread. Then we are going to join it together. Take your wax candle gum, pick it one after the other. See where I put the wax candle. You place it on it like this. Allow it to go. Then the next one, you place it on it. The next one, you place it on it. What you now do now is that put your wax candle like this, then push it inside like this, roll it inside, that is the first step. Take another one. The first one is 6. Then push it inside like the first one. Then put your wax candle at the back like this, at the back of the second one. Then put it inside the first one and to gum together. Then take another one, gum it like this. After gumming the 3 together, then you put your wax candle down from the beginning to the end of this one. Then you roll it with your hand like this, like this. You roll it. After rolling it, put your wax candle round it again. Then the one you have fixed, put it inside. You see it?